played against LeBron. Probably the biggest one I've played against, and it was when I was in high school.
I'll say who I played with. I played with Jordan Farmar with Darusha 2 years ago. I can't remember. There's been so many players I played against, I can't really remember the biggest star I've played against.
In college, we played at Duke, and we were winning the entire game in Cameron Indoor Stadium. We ended up losing in the last 30 seconds of the game. They had a lot of really good players, not just one, but playing against Coach K and the pressure with that and having to win the whole game but then lose in the last 30 seconds was tough.
Tikriausiai čia šiemet Amaris Tudmaris.
I probably had to say Amari Stoudemire this season for Jerusalem. We played against them. That's probably the biggest name I played against.
Turbūt Šiškauskas, aš taip galvoju, nes atsimenu, kai mes buvom prieš porą metų ar prieš 3 metus, jaunesni, tai teko žaisti Vilniaus krepšinį, su sostinės lygoje, tai epizodiškai taip.
I played against a lot of guys, O.J. Mayo, Derrick Rose, James Harden. It's a lot of guys. I can't really say what's the biggest. It was a lot of guys.
Andrew Bogut, nežinau. Sunku pasakyti, dabar taip iš karto prisiminti. Jonas Valančiūnas irgi buvo.
Yra tekę žaisti vienoje komandoje su Šarūnu Jasikevičiumi.
Dirk Nowitzki, kur labai norėjau žaisti, nepavyko šiais metais, tai prieš Staudemirą. Gaila labai, o Eurolygoj buvo nemažai tų priešininkų gero lygio, tai sunku kažką įskirti, bet iš kiekvieno jų galima pasisemti kažko tai ir tos patirties vadinamos, tai nenorėčiau skirti nei vieno.